Halo, assalamualaikum my friend. Let me introduce myself. My name is Irsyad Kairan from 11 Mechanical Engineering 2. My favorite food noodle. My favorite food is noodle. It comes from China, but is popular in many countries, including Indonesia. I like noodles because they are tasty, soft, and easy to eat. I usually eat them with vegetables, egg or chicken. I often have noodles for breakfast or dinner, and they always make me happy. Thanks for listening.